Hi, I'm Brenda Magri, and today we're going to show you a magnificent duplex apartment with incredible Valletta views. This apartment features a lovely open plan of 110 square meters. It has a garage, 2-car, side-by-side interconnected to the property. This apartment is very beautifully designed. It has 400 square meters of living space, a massive open plan with a lovely kitchen and breakfast area, a dining room and a living room. One of the main features of this apartment is that it has 4 generously sized double bedrooms. The main bedroom has an ensuite, a walk-in and also a balcony. This property has a very spacious terrace with beautiful Valletta views. What a beautiful apartment! Want to make this your home? Get in touch with us today to book your personal viewing. Don't forget to follow us on social media and click like and subscribe to view our latest property listings. See you for the next one!